Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be going through the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it to you guys, and so you may experience it with me. So as you can see here, that's the front of the box. Lifting up the front, you get the tablet itself, and the tablet is wrapped with white paper, a little very soft material. And slowly removing it from the top, as you can see there's a little bit of a lid to help you remove it. It's a very thin tablet, not as thick as the previous versions. And this tablet does have 120Hz display. This is the 256GB model, and as you can see it comes with the pen. And this pen is for free, you don't have to buy it separately, compared to the Apple iPad where you have to buy it separately. And as you can see on the sides, there's a set of instructions, we get your warranty and all that good stuff. Just make sure you take a look at it if you need to, but most people tend to not look at it. But in that box also it comes with the charger, or the wire, the USB Type-C, because it uses USB Type-C. And there we have the SIM card. So I don't believe this is the SIM card version. The S8 Ultra, the version I have, doesn't take LTE. But I guess it's still included that, which is nice. And a quick start guide, which most people don't really look at it, but you know, skimming through it never hurts. And after that, we have basically nothing. So that was really all the unboxing. You can't really lift off the back unless you rip the box. It's not going to lift off. And yeah guys, so now let's move on to me showing you the actual tablet itself. This is a very big tablet. A review on this will be coming later in the near future. But as you can see here, the two front cameras, and there's also a back camera, which I'll be showing you that very soon. Those are the two cameras, the front cameras up there. And here we have the port where you can connect the keyboard, and we also have the speakers, which are on the other side of the tablet, as you're about to see right now. The speakers are going to be on the sides. And after that, we had look at the microphone, tiny little dot there as you see, and the charging port. After that, we get the back where the stylus is, and also just the Samsung logo. And this is gray version, by the way, the graphite. And as you can see in a second, the stylus or the pen, the S Pen, is going to attach itself to the back and to the charger at the same time. And as you can see in the back here, it has to go a specific way. If you put it this way, it's kind of weird with the stylus facing opposite way, but if you put the pen facing the camera, it's going to be firm, mostly firm, but it's gonna stick automatically. And the pen does have a little button which you can press on it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.